Hi guys, today I'm going to review a product which is called TrendCash AI. The vendor of this product is VJ Tech Labs, and the niche which I'm going to cover is AI video, short form content, and traffic. The launch date for this product is going to be 16th of August, which is Sunday 2026, and it's going to launch at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, let me take you through this product, which is called TrendCash AI. So, for all of us, creating short form content constantly can be exhausting. You have to constantly search for trending topics, sounds, hashtags, and formats, then spend hours scripting, editing, branding, and adapting each video for different platforms. By the time you finish, the trend may already be fading. But what if you could spot trending content before the wave speaks and turn those trends into branded reels, TikToks, and YouTube shorts without doing all the editing yourself? That's the idea behind TrendCash AI. And in this video, I'll quickly show you what it actually does and whether it's worth checking out. Let me tell you more about TrendCash AI. TrendCash AI aims to simplify that entire process by helping you discover rising trends and turn them into branded short form content faster. Instead of manually researching trends and starting every video from scratch, you can use the AI assisted content creation to produce reels and short form videos for platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. This can help save time, maintain a more consistent content schedule, and potentially make it easier to capitalize on trends while they're still relevant. Now, let's check the short form market. The short form market is a booming digital advertising and content sector valued at roughly $59 billion, which is driven by vertical clips under 60 seconds. Again, platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts dominate mobile user engagement and top funnel brand marketing. Now let's check more about this AI tool. So you can grab TrendCash AI today for a low time one time fee, which is $14 only. You can click on this option, you can purchase this product, and you can avail all these features which is mentioned on the sales page. I'm going to mention the link in the description. You can click on the link, you can go through the sales page yourself. If you have any doubts, you can just let me know in the comments. Now let me just take you through quickly to the features. You never miss a viral wave again. You get a branded reel made for you in minutes. Go live on all three platforms with one click. Looks like the trend, not an ad. Set your brand once, ride every trend forever. Full autopilot or one click approval. Unlimited brands from one dashboard. You can see what's actually working for you. Commercial license, one payment, lifetime access, and all latest updates included. Zero learning curve, and you also get a 30-day money back guarantee, which is included if you purchase this software. Now, if you check YouTube Shorts, these are some channels: Nono TV, Colin Amazing, YouTube Shorts. These people have been using the same strategy and they've been using the same trend to get these shorts viral. You can see 4.69 billion views, 4.60 billion views. And same goes for Instagram Reels. If you check, 1.9 billion, 1.6 billion, 1.4 billion, 1.4 billion Lionel Messi and MasterCard, 1.2 billion. And again, we have TikTok. We will see what's exploding right now. Netflix documentary, then Hopecore and Inner Beauty, then grooming videos, saxophone getting louder audio, TikTok made me buy it. Here's everything you get inside TrendCash AI. So this is what you get everything if you purchase this full autopilot in one way. I've gone through the features already. I'm not taking you again through everything again. Zero manual work, zero convincing required, zero experience needed, zero audience building, zero limitations. Now let's go through the bonuses. Again, you can grab these bonuses if you purchase the software through the link in description. Bonus number one, which is Reel Leads AI. You can turn your viral viewers into a list you own. Bonus number two is Reel Brand AI. You can make every reel look unmistakably yours. And the third bonus is Client Genie AI. Line up paying clients for your reels. Fourth bonus is Reel Muse AI. You get endless angles and hooks for every reel. The total value of these bonuses is 658, but you get all the bonuses free with this TrendCash AI tool. Again, I've mentioned already that you get a 30-day money back guarantee. If you're not confident, if you're not satisfied, if you're unhappy with the way the product works, you can simply reach out to the customer support and you can request for refund. They also have an instant 10% off. You can simply use this coupon code, which is trend10, and since the product cost is $14, if you use this coupon code, you'll get this product at $11 only. So the total value of everything, the features including the bonuses, is $1,970. Since this is a launch special, you can avail this just for $11. If you're interested in purchase, I've mentioned the link in description. You can click on the link, you can simply purchase this product and you can use it for the next 30 days and check if it suits you or if it's gonna benefit you for the long run. So my final verdict would be TrendCash AI looks like an interesting option if your main goal is to create short form content faster and take advantage of trending formats across Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. The biggest advantage are the automated trend detection, branded reel creation, and multi-platform publishing, along with commercial license and lifetime access offer. Again, if you want to check out TrendCash AI for yourself, I'll leave the link in description below. The offer includes TrendCash AI with one-time launch price, along with Reels Leads AI for building a subscriber list, Reel Brand for adding consistent branding, Client Genie AI for finding potential reel clients, and Reel Muse for generating hooks and content angles. So if these features fit what you're looking for, check the link below and see whether the current launch offer is still available. If you have any questions, you can simply comment your questions in the comment section. I'll try to reply to your questions, and make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you can get reviews for such AI products in future. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.